All right, Megan. So what do you like better, summer strikes back or when summer attacks?
Ooh, that's a good one. The writer strike's got nothing on you. You know, doctors say that either would fit when they're seeing at the office this week. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here to show us what's going around, including one problem that you might not think to visit a doctor for.
People are often surprised to hear about the number of people who see a doctor because of a sunburn. We do see severe sunburns, but even patients with milder burns will sometimes seek care. Here's what's going around where you live. In Wayne County, Ascension St. John reports lots of patients with asthma, COPD, and allergies due to poor air quality. Dr. Tiffany Widener is seeing the same issues in kids at Children's Hospital along with viral illnesses. Dr. Glenn Clark at Corewell Health Beaumont and Grosse Pointe reports several patients with sore throats testing positive for mono, and the CVS mini clinics are treating poison ivy and sinus infections. Moving to Oakland County, Dr. Steve McGraw at Ascension Providence is treating asthma and COPD flare-ups, plus some hand, foot, and mouth disease. The Henry Ford Go Health Urgent Care Centers are seeing an increase in sunburns, poison ivy rashes, swimmer's ear, and bug bites. Looking at Washtenaw County, Dr. Marissa Louie at Michigan Medicine reports a number of kids with croup, plus some respiratory viruses and stomach viruses. Outdoor injuries are common in children and adults, including some burns from campfires. Heading to Monroe County, ProMedica Monroe Regional is seeing a lot of breathing problems, including flare-ups of asthma and COPD. Doctors are also treating poison ivy, outdoor injuries, and stomach viruses. Checking out Macomb County, Dr. Maria Samuel at Henry Ford Sterling Heights is seeing upper respiratory infections and sinus infections. McLaren Macomb is treating breathing issues due to allergies, and Henry Ford Shelby Township reports lots of sunburns. Strep throat and swimmer's ear are both common problems at the CVS mini clinics. Finally, in Livingston County, Trinity Health Livingston is treating more summer injuries, including broken bones and cuts. Doctors' offices are also seeing asthma flare-ups, sunburns, and infected bug bites. Now, I can't stress enough, a lot of these problems are preventable. Be on the lookout for poison ivy and be sure to wear sunscreen and insect repellent if you're headed outdoors. And if your kids are prone to swimmer's ear, use a hairdryer set on low to help dry out their ears after swimming. Back to you.
That's a good tip. I've used that one at home. And you can read more of local doctors' words of warning and advice about what they're seeing this week at clickondetroit.com. Just search what's going around.